Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Italian ebook before it's gone.
Lentamente. Grazie. Prego. What do these words mean? Stick around. In this quick lesson, you'll learn basic Italian phrases all beginners must know. Before we start, Italians use their hands to talk without words. But do you know what their hand gestures really mean? Keep watching for the answer at the end. Sì. Yes. Sì. Sì. Ladies and gentlemen, do you want an ice cream? Yes! Do you want an holiday? Yes! Do you want good music? Yes! Do you want a smile? Sì! Tom helps Oscar at an electronic store. Ti piace questa marca? Oh, sì, secondo me è una buona marca. No. 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 Overtimes. No. Bad weather. No. No friends. No. Crying. No. Jack mistakes Steve for a student. Sei uno studente qui? No, sono solo di passaggio. Ancora una volta. One more time. Ancora una volta. Ancora una volta. Rock, paper, scissors. Shoot! No. Okay, one more time. Rock, paper, scissors. Shoot! Ah, what? One more time. Rock, paper, scissors. Shoot! Ah, it's not my lucky day. Lina asks Valentina for clarification. Scusa, non ho capito. Ancora una volta, per favore. Certo. Lentamente. Slowly. Lentamente. Lentamente. Is this grammar point too complicated? Slowly, slowly. Is this Italian listening too difficult? Slowly, slowly, and you will understand more and more. Susan needs clarification when asking Guido for directions. Scusa, lentamente, per favore. Prendi la prima strada a sinistra e poi a destra. Mi scusi? Excuse me? Mi scusi. Mi scusi? When you are in Italy, it's time to talk with Italian people. At the bar, excuse me. At the station, excuse me. At a clothing store, excuse me, and more and more. Let's talk and have fun. Mi scusi, mi scusi, mi scusi, mi scusi, mi scusi. Jack expresses interest in an item at a store. Mi scusi, quanto costa questo? Costa 20 euro. Vuole comprarlo? Mi dispiace. I'm sorry. Mi dispiace. Mi dispiace. I'm sorry to have to tell you. No more ice cream. It's gone. Oh no! Mi dispiace, mi dispiace. Steve apologizes to Oscar for a misunderstanding. Mi dispiace, è stato un errore. Va bene, nessun problema. Grazie. Thank you. Grazie. Grazie. The most powerful thing to say someone. Thank you. To thank someone. Thank you. To make a request. Thank you. To order something. Thank you. Grazie, grazie, grazie. Susan thanks Lina for a party invite. Grazie mille per l'invito. Prego, sono contenta che tu sia venuta. Prego. You are welcome. Prego. Prego. In many situations, also in Italian, simply you are welcome would suffice. Prego, prego, prego. Raffaella provides legal advice to Steve. Grazie mille per il tuo aiuto. Prego, sono felice di averti potuto aiutare. Per favore. Please. Per favore. Per favore. Water, please. Menu, please. Sugar, please. Please, please, per favore, per favore, per favore, per favore. Mamma mia. Jack asks Valentina for a drink. Dell'acqua, per favore. Certo, ecco dell'acqua. Let's review. You'll see the words in English and your job is to say the words in Italian. Ready? Do you remember how to say yes? Sì. Sì. And how to say no? No. No. Let's try. One more time. Ancora una volta. Ancora una volta. What about slowly? Lentamente. Lentamente. Do you remember how to say, excuse me? Mi scusi. Mi scusi. And how to say, I'm sorry. Mi dispiace. Mi dispiace. What about thank you? Grazie. Grazie. Now, let's see if you remember how to say you are welcome. Prego. Prego. And finally, you remember how to say please. Per favore. Per favore. Italians use their hands to talk without words. But do you know what their hand gestures really mean? Each gesture can add emotion or meaning our words. Pinching fingers together asks, what do you want? And a hand under the chin means, I don't care. If you want to joke with your friend, try this gesture, but be careful with other people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to practice these new words and phrases and see you next time.